What's going on, everybody? You probably won't see me in the video, but this just arrived. The wife, my dear wife Erica, just bought this for the family. We're gonna do something different. I don't even think I'm in frame, but we want to open this really quick because we want to try it out first before Thanksgiving. We bought this for Thanksgiving. We're not gonna have a traditional Thanksgiving, you know, turkey and stuff. Great price. I hope this works good. Check it out. Let's see. Meat tenderizer. Hopefully that's in frame. Pretty cool. On your right side, my left side, we have one pot. Am I in frame?
Yeah.
Okay, you can see with the holes in the bottom. This is the lid, and I think the only thing I have to install is the handle. So there's the name brand again. You got a vent release there. Wow, here's all the goodies inside. Here's your temperature control for the hot pot. And this one is for the grill, and it's nicely marked grill and hot pot. It says right there, hot pot. You have those. This is the electric grill hot pot and steamer. So information, warranty, contact info is there. Here's the little handle, easy. It's one bolt, one screw. All you need is a Phillips, and you can put this on. Very easy to install, but that's what it looks like. Not sure what this is for. Looks like maybe some kind of catch for the fat. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out in the instructions. Here's your hot pot. Ooh, a little scratched inside from the stuff banging around, but looks all right. Nice red handles. There's the business end. That's where you plug this in. This will plug into there, just like that. Cool. Let's make sure that this fits on there. We'll put the handle on too. Comes with a color matching spatula. What is this? You can grab and flip with it. So you can pick up the egg, and I guess the yolk fits right in there so you don't pop it on accident. We'll have to try this out and see if this really works. It has a textured surface with the striping there. This is where your hot pot goes, protected by the bottom. It's not heavy, so if you're worried about lugging it around, it's not heavy at all. There's the knob, the base that attaches to the glass. So the easiest way to do this is just flip it upside down. It fits in there, just like that. This is a Phillip. Washer down, just like that, over the hole. And then the screw. Go ahead and move the bottom around so you can feel it screw in. Don't over tighten it or you could possibly crack the glass. So just make sure you're centered. Pretty simple. My cat loves plastic, clear plastic. I'm watching her, making sure she doesn't eat any. But that's it. It's on there. I have the grill plug right here, so we're going to have it both the same way. You don't want to have it that way. Go ahead and place that on there. There's a nice little indentation for that. That's pretty cool. So now you can have your liquids in here. That you can grill. So like my wife, she's gluten intolerant, so there's stuff that we eat that she cannot eat. Most of the stuff we have is gluten free, but there's a few things we have, especially the little steamed buns. Those have wheat in it, so she can't have it. So we can cook that on this side and leave one side gluten free. Oh, look at that! I do have scratches right here. I'll show that a little bit later. Looks like from rubbing. Nothing that's going to make me return it, but you can see something made contact right there. Steaming. That's awesome. Look at that. So if you have buns, like in the Philippines, we have siopao. You can warm it up in there. That's pretty darn cool. But you still have your grill space there. Of course, here's your weird, this is for eggs. So that when you scoop the eggs up, the yolk is right here. That's what that's for. Then let's check out the this tenderizer. We might actually use this. I don't have anything like this. Like I said, if you're interested in this, this is a new product. I will have the link down below. And if you click on any Amazon associate link, I am an Amazon associate, I will get a little kickback in return. Helps me grow this channel, so I appreciate it in advance. But hopefully you can see that. Doesn't work perfectly, but it is what it is. Kind of sticks a little bit. Ouch! Ouch! Okay, that's enough for that. Here, son, you can have that. There is two of these. These are what I thought they are. They're to catch the drips, the fat drips. So they go on the ends here. This is for the grill. It's marked grill. And you have 1 through 5. You can see the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the part that plugs in. There's some holes there. That's pretty much it. Now the other one, same thing, plugs in right here. You can see what the this end looks like. See that? Got the 2 prongs in there. This one doesn't want to line up as easily as the first one. Let's see here. One of the prongs, okay, there we go. Okay, got it. Fits there, and then you can plug it in to an extension cord. And the edges here, when they put the coating on, they didn't do the best job. You can see. Might be powder residue from the manufacturing process. Oh yeah, smells like some type of chemical. I'll definitely clean it, wipe it down and clean it very well before using it. But okay, little drip area, drip pan right there, just sits right there to catch fat. This is, look at that scuff mark. You can see during the process there's a scuff there, some black stuff. Right there again, there's some scuff marks. Plugged in just with one extension cord. As you can see, it lights up orange. We're going to go ahead and turn it up to 5. That's the highest. Definitely feel heat already. Just got to make sure it works. Go ahead and take the steamer off. I can smell from the the factory. We definitely got to give it a good wash. You can hear it. See smoke? Probably because there's oils and residue from the factory.
I see it from here.
Can you?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh yeah, I can see.
It smells.
Yeah, it smells. We're gonna give it a good wash. There's oil and stuff.
That heats up fast.
Yeah.
It was a good price. It was $1.30.
I do have it on high. Yeah, we just wanted to make sure it works, and it does work. We're going to go ahead and shut it down, give it a good washing. Mussel, we got shrimp, I already parboiled the noodles. We got some sliced pork, beef, chestnuts, water chestnuts, some bok choy. This is just a small test. And for the soup base, looks fantastic, smells great. This is the little sheep. We're going to use the spicy one, or have 2 hot pots going for Thanksgiving. We're going to have something similar, but on a bigger scale for Thanksgiving. 2 little ladles. Get some water chestnuts out for the wife. Here you go, hon. Awesome. Yeah, the bok choy is awesome. We got some mussels we still got to use. I still got to cook up my food. I haven't even... You want some, Gabriel? You want water chestnuts?
I have some.
Okay. Looks great. I'm using tongs because for the life of me, I'm 45 and cannot use, trust me, the family's tried to get me to use those darn, what do you call them?
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks. I cannot use them. I'm throwing some beef here and pork so I can throw it in my soup.
Oh, that does have a really good taste.
The broth? Yeah, the broth is really good. Ooh, one more beef. Good. We got it all the way on high. One more pork. Shrimp on this side. Looking good. Oh, that's awesome. Some sea salt here. Just throw that on really quick. Here's some pork, beef. Let's hook it up. Just like that. Over here. A little bit more broth, and we are good to go. Nice and fresh. Not going to do a lot of filming, but here it is. It is Thanksgiving evening. Instead of doing the traditional turkey, we went with a Korean hot pot and grill. So I'll show you really quick. Is that enough? So we got this is a basic, what's this called? The broth, the company?
Little lamb.
Little sheep. Little sheep broth. This is the basic one. I got the hot, spicy one on the, because we only got one hot pot on the stove. But let me show you really quick because I want to spend time with the family and not have a phone in front of me. So what we got, huge, look at these squid. Let's go ahead while I'm blabbing, throw some on there. And then I'll season it on the grill. We got this all the stuff at the Best Asian Market in Spokane Valley. Look how big those squids are, those 3 pieces. We have some Vietnamese dim sum that I warmed up in the steamer part of this. And then we have, this is probably the best thing, I've never had it before. This is Korean rice cakes, I guess they call them. But these things are awesome. If you can see there, that's taking the place of the noodles and rice. That's pork. We got pork balls that's already pre-cooked. We got some pork belly there, which I have to cook. Bok choy is my favorite for hot pot. And I got some onions. And last, we have eel. This one was already purchased, made. All you got to do is warm it up in the oven. Go ahead and put a couple more on there, Gabriel. But that's it. Just want to wish everybody a happy, safe Thanksgiving. We're going to go ahead and eat. And this is the Skaiva 3-in-1. It's a hot pot, steamer, and grill that the missus bought for the family. So that is it. You guys have a happy Thanksgiving. I'm going to spend time with my family. Bye-bye.